Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to complete King of the Hill Discord quest which recently launched. So let me show the easiest way to complete the King of Hill Discord quest. So the first thing, make sure you have installed the Discord app. Now once you go to the quest section, so here you notice that there's a list of available quests, so you have to just simply scroll down below. Now here you will find there is a King of the Hill. So this is the 15th series quest. You can easily complete it. So once you successfully complete this quest, so you will able to claim the 700 orbs. So right now I have 4200 orbs, and now I want to just play this game and I will try to claim this 700 more orbs. So the first thing, you have to just tap on launch quest. The main objective of this quest is you can simply play the game. So first thing, it asking authorization, so you have to just tap on authorize because it will be access my Discord some permissions. So now it take a little bit time to successfully load the quest. So here finally you notice that I have received the play option. So once you tap on this one, so now you are enter in the quest. So the first thing, you have to just go to this gaming console. So this is just like an old Japanese gaming console. So here you can play some buttons. So if you tap on start, so you can easily play the game. So main object of this game is you can simply play this game for 20 to 30 seconds. So once you successfully achieve some best score, so you can easily claim the 700 orbs. So I want to just select this character. So the first thing, you have to just collect the LPG cylinders. So the main objective of this game is you can simply collect the gas cylinders, so without touching the dustbin. So let me show how to complete it. So as you noticed that now I have completed 50% of this claim. So I need 50% more hard work to successfully complete this quest. As you noticed that I have 100% completed this quest. Now I want to just tap on claim reward, and now here I can easily get the 700 more herbs because I have successfully completed this quest. So I want to just tap on I'm human, so here it take a little bit time to verify. Now I just want to verify I am human, so here it take a little bit time to successfully verify. So now as you noticed that I have successfully received the 700 orbs. So by doing this process you can easily complete the King of Hell Discord quest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. So now you notice that more orbs are successfully increased after completion of this quest. So by doing this process you can easily complete the King of the Hill Discord quest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.